In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can buy Solana and Trust Wallet. But before that, if you guys don't know what Solana is also known as SOL or Sol Coin, and it's a cryptocurrency. And Trust Wallet is a wallet where you guys can store your crypto. Now, why you need a wallet is because in a normal wallet, you guys can store your money. But cryptocurrency is a digital, crypto. So basically, you can't store like digital crypto in another digital currency in like your physical wallet. It's impossible. So to store a digital currency, you need digital wallet, and Trust Wallet is one of that. Trust Wallet is a digital crypto storing wallet. So you guys can store your, cryptocurrency easily over here, and you guys can also buy crypto over here. So let me show you guys how you guys can buy Solana. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, then it's me, Vichy Kevin, and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. Let's get right into the video. So the first step is you want to go to where it says buy after opening your Trust Wallet. After you go and buy, the next step is you want to search for Solana, SOL. The short form of Solana is SOL. So after you search for SOL, it's going to show you Solana. You want to click on it. After you click on Solana, it's going to take you to Solana's page. Now, once you're in this page, what you want to do is you want to enter the amount of Solana you want to buy. So I want to enter like $150 worth of Solana, for which I'm going to get 0.696676663 Sol, which means Solana. Solana is also known as Sol, so don't get confused. And after that, you can choose your payment method. By default, it's going to be Ramp. If you guys want to change it, you can click on it and go on MoonPay or whichever place you want to go. All right. So for me, Ramp is okay. So I'm going to choose Ramp and click on Next. Once I click on next, it's going to take me to the official website of Ramp, where I need to log in into my account. After I log in into my account, it's going to ask me for my payment details. After that, I can enter the amount of Solana I want to buy. And after that, I can just click on the bottom where it says green. But since I have not yet, filled up my payment detail, it's not green. But if I had paid my, payment detail, it's going to say proceed total. And after that, it's going to be okay. And I should be able to buy Solana. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can buy Solana on your, Trust Wallet. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Just for example, let me show you guys with MoonPay as well. I go on Solana, and once I go on Solana, for my payment method, MoonPay, and then I'm going to click on next. Then it's going to take me to the official website of MoonPay just like this. As you guys can see, it's simple as that. It's similar for MoonPay and other stuff. You just need to choose your payment method. All right. So hope you guys were able to understand. Stay tuned to our channel One to Step for future video.